Flood Watch. Issued at Tuesday 2:34 a.m. July 15, 2025. Issued by National Weather Service. Description. What? Flash flooding caused by excessive rainfall is possible. Where? Connecticut, Rhode Island, and portions of south-central and southeastern Massachusetts. When? From 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this afternoon through late tonight. Impacts. Numerous showers and thunderstorms will develop late this afternoon and persist into part of the evening. The strongest storms will be capable of producing torrential rainfall in a very short period of time. The potential exists for some locales to receive 1 inch to 2 of rain in an hour. This will result in the potential for localized flash flooding, particularly if this were to occur over a vulnerable urban center. Additional details: http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. Recommended action. You should monitor later forecasts and be alert for possible flash flood warnings. Those living in areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should flooding develop.